Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Divine Designs by Dee Dee. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're a returning guest, I really appreciate you coming back to visit little old me. Thanks for stopping in. Today I'm going to make a quick DIY and it's going to be real simple. And what I've done is I have a Let It Snow sign. And what I did was I went through my Dollar Tree stash of glitter and Mod Podge, and I Mod Podge this Let It Snow. So that's what's on here, Mod Podge and paint. First I painted it white, and then I went back and I put glitter and Mod Podge on it. And I glittered and Mod Podge this. And then also I kind of went over my snowflakes here. I went over those. And also, I'm not sure if I showed you this already, but I think I have. This here is a placemat from the Dollar Tree. And then this here is two of the Dollar Tree 11 by 14 canvases, and I'm going to use that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Aleene's glue, and I'm just going to put it all over this. Making sure I get the corners, because I want the corners to stick down. And the edges. Okay, I think I got enough there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this back over. And I'm going to lay this down on here in the middle. And I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of eyeballing it to make sure that it's in the middle. And I'm going to spread it out. Spread it out all the way to the end to make sure that I get that glue on the ends. Okay, now I'm going to take my Let It Snow sign, and I'm going to use hot glue on this. Make this kind of like a 3D. So I'm going to put some Jenga blocks on this to make it kind of stand up a little bit on my paper, on my mat here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these on here. I guess I should have painted them white or black. I think I am. I'm going to go ahead on and paint them white. So let me do that. I'm just going to paint the sides of them white so that the sides that it's going to show will be white. I'm not going to worry about I guess I can glue them down first and then paint them. Oh man, my glue gun is not hot. Let me let my glue gun get hot and I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have it glued on, my glue gun is warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to put glue on the back of these. And I'm going to put these down on here. Making sure I get it in the middle. And I'm going to press it down for a minute. just to the glue it here. And it looks something like this. It's like 3D is sticking out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my snowflakes like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the back and just a little bit around the rim of it. And just press those down like that. And I'm putting this one in the middle because I want to hide that seam of the two boards being glued together. So I'm going to put that in the middle. And then I'm going to put the other two on the other side. So this is what it looks like. I think it came out really, really cute. Let it snow. And I don't want to do anything else to it because I like the way it looks like this. It's looking like it's 3D. So what I want to do now is I want to put a back on here. Okay, back to this. Let it snow sign. So what I'm going to do is, what I did off camera was I went and I spray painted some beads. So I am going to glue them on the top, on the bottom here. Well, not the beads, but I'm going to glue the twine that I put it on.